What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the video. In today's video, we'll be talking about what do you do after you receive the stimulus check, right? All right, so you have the money in the bank. You got the money, bam. Now you want to invest it. This is the best way to invest your stimulus check. Well, how to put it, where to put it, what do you do to make your money double or triple over time for beginners, for intermediate people, for anybody to watch this video. As you already know, when will you get your stimulus payments? Actually, today, as of the 15th. And right here, how much will I get? Individuals and the head of households are due up to $1,200. And if you haven't already, guys, check out my channel. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Daily videos. I post investment videos about stocks, about cryptocurrency. I have a playlist for day trading. I have a playlist for crypto. Let's get right here. There's a couple ways you can invest this money, this $1,200, right? First, you can put it in stocks. Right here, broker, Webull, I let you trade for free. Zero commissions, no fee trading. And this is what it'll look like, right? This is what you can look. This is your charts right here. Another option, we'll get more into this later, is gold. If we look at gold, guys, it's actually been doing absolutely amazing. It had a double bottom right here, as you see, 15th of March. And then ever since then, it actually went from 1440 to 1730, which is absolutely amazing. And then you have crypto and altcoins. Again, you could always do the traditional Bitcoin, but I personally like Chainlink. If we take a look at Chainlink, guys, it started at $1 and it went all the way up to almost $5, right under $5. Again, you have Bitcoin, you have altcoins, you have Chainlink, you have gold, and you have stocks. Let's talk about stocks specifically. In this video, what I recommend is you could actually buy AMD. AMD is almost at a perfect U shape. It was a cup and handle. If you watch my last video, it was right here, maybe right around here. And I said, guys, perfect dip buy opportunity. It did end up going a little lower, but now we're at an all-time high. Again, we're making a U. Perfect time to buy, and it's only $55, right around $55 a share, so it's pretty inexpensive. And then obviously, guys, if you watch my last video, I'm a huge fan of Tesla. Same thing, we had a very cup and handle right here. I said buy right here. Again, it did end up going a little lower. I held, and then bam, we're almost going to make a cup and handle. Again, perfect U. I think 8,900 is definitely possible, especially at 730. And then, guys, I like Boeing. Again, Boeing is up. It's pretty down a lot. Sorry about that. It has a lot of big up potential. It could basically double in price easily. It's at 146 right now, 145.98, and I think we can get to 170, if not 300. Definitely, it may take some time. Again, another good one, guys, is SQ. I like Square, if you don't know about Square. And then finally, guys, Apple is pretty good as well. I like Apple. Everyone knows Apple. Perfect cup and handle. Look at this chart, guys. This screams buy to me, plus the fact that they're Apple, one of the biggest, if not the biggest phone companies, computer companies, just kind of brands, one of the best brands out there, and they pay dividends. There's no reason you shouldn't be holding Apple, definitely. And then if you want to invest in the overall stock market, I like SPYD. It follows the same chart and same pattern as the S&P 500, but it's way cheaper, and it pays dividends for only $26.11 a share. For only $26.11, if the SPY goes up, if the S&P 500 does go up, SPYD will follow. Again, same thing, cup and handle, perfect time to get in. It's screaming buy, and this pays dividends. SPYD, the D stands for dividends. Again, guys, Apple definitely long-term hold. SPYD, if you want to hold and trade this overall SPY, the stock market, for cheaper plus collect dividends. AMD is a definite buy. Tesla and Boeing, those are my recommendations. Again, like I said, you could use a Webull, free broker, zero commissions, and you even get 2 stocks for signing up. Webull, this is what you can look. This is how you look at stocks. This is your watch list. This is the markets. This is the screener, how to find it. I have a video on this as well. And this is how to place trades, guys. When you're in the trade, you can look at the chart. I have my order right here. I have the level 2 right here, and then I have the positions and overall profit or loss. And right here, I have my watch list. Again, you can click account right here and etc., guys. So let's just break it out. Let's just kind of overall. Let me just summarize what I said. If you get your 1,200, you can put it in stocks. I recommend Webull, but you can put it in stocks. Again, that's what I definitely recommend. Or you could hold long term for gold or cryptocurrency. When it comes to crypto, you can put it in Bitcoin. But I personally like altcoins. I like Chainlink is my #1 investment right here. And that's basically it, guys. Like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my channel. I post 2 types of videos, basically investing, but more specifically cryptocurrency. I have over 250 videos, all between 1K and 2.5K views. And then also I talk about day trading, guys. These videos right here, I'm day trading live, day trading equities as in stocks and options, as well as my Robinhood review almost has 1,000K, how to make money trading stocks, my Trade Zero, my shorting, day trading broker, and how to day trade for beginners. And you can even find how to find stocks, free scanner. Like I said, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter to stay up to date. Peace.